What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Cav the Gamer. Now today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber gloss spoiler to my car, which is a Mercedes 250D AMG Line. Now the car hasn't got a boot spoiler at the moment. It's pretty plain. I wanted to make it look a bit different, you know, add a little bit more things to it. As I said, this is not your average gaming channel. We do all sorts of things on this channel. We do tech reviews, we do gaming, and we also modify my cars and all my other mates' cars. If they want to get their cars modded, they come see me and we get it done. Need for Speed style. Let's go. Yeah, stick around in the video and you will see the carbon fiber spoiler that we install. Very simple to install. All you need is some tiger sealant and some tape, masking tape, to hold it down whilst the tiger sealant takes into effect, which is about 24 hours. So the spoiler's already on the car. We've already got it put on. Today we are going to actually peel off the masking tape, and fingers crossed that tiger seal holds it down and it hasn't moved and it's fully dried up. So that'd be really, really good. So stick around in the video. Have a look. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the spoiler looks good? What do you reckon? Would you add it to your car? Or, you know, as you can tell, got the Mercedes seat here. I'm a big Mercedes AMG fan. I only wish one day I could get a proper AMG, but at the moment I've got to do what I gotta do, mate. So yeah, stick around the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're back. We brought the car back round to the garage because this is where we're going to be working from. I'm going to go ahead and show you now the actual carbon fiber spoiler that we're going to be putting onto the car and what you're going to need to use. So at the moment we're going to be using Tiger Seal, which is really good stuff for bonding body parts to a car. It's waterproof. Once it hardens and dries, it will not move. So it's perfect stuff if you want to use any car parts want to attach to it and things like that. So let's look at the parts of what we've got. Okay guys, so we are back. We have got the carbon fiber spoiler on there. We put it on with Tiger Seal, it's been there overnight drying. So now we're going to take the masking tape off and fingers crossed the spoiler doesn't fall off. So let's start peeling this off slowly. This masking tape doesn't actually ruin the paint or anything, so we're going to peel it off slowly. So guys, we have taken off the masking tape. The Tiger Seal should hopefully be holding down the carbon fiber spoiler. The moment of truth. Let's see now, when I open the boot, if the spoiler holds. I would say that's a pretty solid job right there. Spoiler holds and the spoiler is done. I think it looks pretty good. Nice.